Hello, Greg.
Hello.
You went to the trip?
Yes,
Can you elaborate your trip? Can you tell
yes,
me right
obviously.
from the start? How did you go? How
Yes,
did you travel? How you had fun? What all you enjoyed over there?
yes,
Can you say everything in detail?
yes.
Okay, tell me.
Uh, so I was invited for a trip to Alibag. I was invited to a trip to Alibag. My cousin's dad had called, had invited me. So first of all, my mom chose clothes for me, and I prepared my bag. What all to take? I took all the indoor activities I had. And I took my cricket bat also, because I thought that their given bat would be big, so I took which was of my height only. Uh, so uh, uh, on 31st, on 29th, I went at their house. My dada took me, uh, 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 and then after reaching, I went in their home. I drank water. I ate dinner, and then we played. I played with my cousins, and then I directly slept there only. And then we woke up at early morning, 6 a.m. 6 a.m. And then after I took bath, I changed, and then I changed, I took my clothes, and then we left, and then I sat in the traveler bus. It was a traveling bus. I sat, and in bus I sat till 8 o'clock, and then after we kept going, we kept going. I asked Jane what time we'll reach. They were saying 1 hour, 2 hour. And after 1, 2 hour, I again asked Jane how much we are reaching.
How
They,
much time, Beta?
Hmm.
Complete your sentence.
They kept repeating 1 hour, 2 hour. Then while doing this, it was 8 hour journey, 8 hour journey to Alibag, and then there we stopped at a resort, held at a resort, and we were check-in only. We had booked it, so then we entered our house. We means our room, uh, and then we kept all our luggages in it, and then I went out. I saw the swimming pool, but we couldn't go because there was some other family there swimming. So I was craving, but I could not go on the first day. So then after playing little, I played cricket with my cousins, and then we went to beach, Murud beach. There we enjoyed very much. I made I collected shells, and there I saw crab also. Crab. So after that, a crab also. First time I saw a crab coming out from a hole. Uh, then uh, then uh, then then we returned there. It was dark night. Um, the first thing, sorry, the first thing was we were invited because it was my cousin's birthday. So we were invited, and then after that. Uh, it was late night till we came, and then we slept. We saw no and we play That was on the second day. And We saw match also, cricket match, football match also, cricket match also, on their given TV. It was RCB. It was RCB and Punjab Titans, and RCB won obviously. Then we slept around 2 to 3 o'clock. Around 2 to 3 o'clock. Then midnight, and there we found many insects. So I was scared to sleep that it does not come on my body. Then we started killing it. And then we started killing it, and then I felt that now I'm safe. Then after I and then after I slept on the next morning, I got up, directly went in the swimming pool. I changed and went in the swimming pool. We were there for 2 to 3 hours, 3 hours almost. And then after that, I changed, played cricket. And then again we went on the next beach. Which beach it was?
I don't know.
Yeah, it was a beach. It was 20 kilometers
Away from the
away from the resort. So we went there. And then there we ate burger also, french fries, nuggets. And then after coming, I and then we ate french fries, nuggets. Uh, and then my mom also met with there only, my mom uh, because my mom had was invited for an award. So she went there first, and then she met us on the second day. And then there I went to beach with her only, with my mom and dad. And then when I reached that beach, it was 20 kilometers. It took us 45 minutes, around 45 minutes. We went there, and then we went, um, and then we ate gola. It was type of marine lines only. We sat at the seashore
ledge.
ledge, and then
We call it Mundere. Say Mundere.
Munde. So after returning, we stop. After returning, we ate gola, we ate burger, and then we started to return. Then we took our bus, and then we went. And then while going, we saw that there was a surprise party arranged for the my cousin named Naila. She There was a surprise decoration, and that day we celebrated it because it was anniversary also of my Yasir bhai and Zarina auntie. And then we Zarina Bhabhi. And then when we reached, it was surprise, and no one knew it. Then I saw, then that was not entering for me also. They said it is a surprise. You go, but don't say it to the Naila, because birthday girl. So then we changed it. Then my mom made her makeup, did her do makeup. She was looking nice. And then first of all, we did anniversary. We took two cakes, one for anniversary and one for the birthday girl. First we did anniversary. I wished, we did that. And then we called Naila for her surprise. She was excited. Then at that night we played musical chair also. Then at that time, my sister had won. And my mom had kept a bet that if I lose, I will give you all the cousins 100 rupees, and that only. And she lost, and we got 100 rupees. Uh, And then after that we were awake till late night, 3 4 o'clock, and then but I was feeling sleepy, so I went in our hotel room. I on AC and I slept.
I switched on AC.
I switched on AC and then I slept. And then after the next morning was our last day. We I got up early, went in the swimming pool. They said only for 30 to 45 minutes you can stay. And then after that, 30 to 45 minutes we can stay. And then after that we had a great time. We did check out, and then we ate lunch, our breakfast lunch, and then there we found there was that also ground for sheep, for goat and uh, ducks. So there I had fun, a lot of fun with ducks, but not that much which I had with bakras. Goats. Then I kept giving them leaves to eat. I fed them leaves. Uh, I I petted them. I pet them, and then I loved them. One of them, Bakra Andul. He was very old. He was 10 years old. Yeah. And his bones were being seen nicely. Skeleton. Yes, he had lost all muscles. Then we sat on the bus, and then we took our journey back to our normal diet. And then while going, we again went to beach, and then the same beach. While returning, we went to beach, um, and then there we stopped a nice time, and then after returning, wait, 2 minutes, wait. Yes, I had waited on the beach. I had stopped. I had paused on the beach, held, and then there we took. We were. I was half an hour there, and with my dad, I went forward. With my dad, I went forward. mm, uh, my cooker. To the sea, in the sea, and then big waves were coming, and one wave was that big that it came upon me, over me, and all my clothes, were wet, and then after that, luckily I had there was washroom, luckily, and luckily I had a cloth that was extra, so I could wear it, because it would because that cloth was that itching me in traveling. So then I had my night suit only left, this, and then that I only wore, and then after that after that I came, and then again we ate gola. I had fun there with gola only. We kept eating gola, and from that time my favorite flavor is pineapple. And then after returning, we ate all. We sat in the bus, and then we took our route to our house, and then we stopped after 2 hours. I had slept, and then after 2 hours we stopped at a destination for traveler eating. Then we ate their food. I enjoyed, and then um, and then we again said we were there for 1 hour, and from there we took a tamarind also, and I gave it to all the travelers in our bus, and then we directly went to our home. We stopped at Goregaon. We stopped at the bus held at Goregaon. it held at a stop, and from there my cousins went their home, and I came to my home, and when we started to go, my sister cried this much. My come she cried for almost half an hour, and then
Why she cried?
that we had a lot of fun, and my cousins are going, and because she had her best time with with her cousins.
And I met a new girl there. Her name was Alina. She was very nice to me.
There I had many cherished memories. I collected cheerful memories, and then we we went at a good ending. We left to our home.
Overall, say
Overall,
Conclusion.
overall we left our home, and then I came to our home. We ate food and then we slept.
Overall, what will you say? One last line. Overall, how would you sum up your trip?
No idea.
Overall, I had great time
Overall, I had great time
with everyone.
with everyone.
I explored a new resort,
I explored a new resort,
a new fort.
a new fort,
What we call the fort?
Janjira Fort.
Yes, you had sea ride, right?
Yes.
You went in a boat, right? You had a boat ride. Okay, so overall, it was a lovely time. Okay, and it. Thank
And
you.
if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share.
Bye bye.